What's up guys, me Umair. So some of the S Pen features first let me go to setting, click the advanced features, S Pen features. So here are the air view, direct pen, pointer, screen of memo. Even I turned on the floating icon. As you can see, yeah, these. I can add the feature I want. Live message, making a GIF smart. There's so many features. I can add more feature if I want. Let me select, add more features. Yeah. It's really very good. Some of the features are, literally, I love it. Translate. Yeah, these are the S Pen feature, and I love my S Pen a lot. It was me, Gmail. Subscribe. Bye.